Hello, I welcome you all to this wonderful platform. If you are new, consider following me and like this video. So we've got this interesting question that is falling under AP. This is arithmetic progression. So these are the questions that I want us to discuss. How to find the nth term, how to find the expression for the nth term, and how to find the sum of the n terms. These are the questions that I want us to discuss together. So let us see how we can answer these particular questions. The first question is saying find the ninth term. How can you find the ninth term? This is what we are going to do. So let me do this. For you to answer this particular question, what you need to do, you are told to find the what? Ninth term. So you know that the formula for the nth term is equal to what? A plus open bracket n minus 1 cross bracket and d outside. This is the formula that is used for us to calculate the ninth term. So what I'm going to do is that I know that n is the number of terms that I want to find. I want to find the nth term, which is what? Ninth term. I need to have a, which is my first term. In this case, what is the first term? My first term is 2. So I put my 2 there. What is my common difference? You also need to find the common difference. How do you find the common difference? You say second term minus first term. So we know that this is our first term, this is our second term, and this is our third term. This is what we are given. So how can you answer this particular question? We just now substitute where we say this is equal to, what is T2? 6 minus T1, which is the first term. What is the first term? The first term is 2. You do this. Then finally, you've got your answer. 6 minus 2, you get a 4. So meaning that this is your common difference. That is a D that is there. After you do this, then you are supposed to say now, n is 9, which is equal to A. What is your first term? Is 2 plus open bracket n is 9 minus 1 cross d is 4. You are just substituting. After this, you say this is now equal to ninth term is equal to 2. What is 9 minus 1? 8. 8 times 4, you get 32. 32 plus 2, you get 34. So meaning that this is your what? This is your ninth term. Just like this, you are done. This is what you are supposed to do. We move to another question. This question that is here. The question is saying expression for the nth term. They want us to find the expression for the nth term. So the nth term formula is Tn is equal to A plus open bracket n minus 1 then a d. That is the common difference. For you to find the expression for the nth term, what you need to do, you just need to find the what? The value of A. What is our A in that expression? Is 2. What is our common difference? Common difference we've solved, so no need of solving again. Which is what? Which is 4. So these are two important things that we get to consider each time you want to find the nth, the expression for the nth term. This is what you need to consider, just these two. Then you substitute there. So we are going to have Tn is equal to A is 2 plus n minus 1 cross common difference, that is a 4 that is there. These are procedures that you are supposed to do. These are some of the things that you are supposed to get. This is equal to, you do this. This is 2. 4 times n, you get 4n. 4 times negative 1, you get negative 4. So this is just the same as what? I can continue from here where I say Tn is equal to, this is 2 minus 4 plus 4n. So I can start with 4n here where I'm going to say Tn is equals to 4n. 2 minus 4, I get negative 2. So meaning that this is the answer that we are supposed to get. So this is the answer for the what? Expression for the nth term. This is your answer. This is what you are supposed to do. These are things that you need to know. These are some of the things that you are supposed to understand as a student. We move on to our last question. How can we answer this last question? That is saying sum of the first, it was supposed to be first, sum of the first 5 terms. So sum of the first 5 terms, which formula do we use? Sum is like this, where you say n over 2, you do something like this, 2a plus n minus 1 cross d, then you do this. This is a formula that we get to use. So want to find the sum of the first 5 terms. How can you find the sum of the first 5 terms? You know that n is 5 terms. A, first term, it was 2. D, we know that it is 4. Then you get this data and substitute in there. This is 5 is equal to, n is what? What is our n there in this case? Our n is 5. So 5 over 2, 2 times A is 2, plus n is what? N is 5. 5 minus 1, 4. So there it's 4 times 4 there. This is what I'm going to do. I believe you've seen n is 5. 5 minus 1, 4. Times the 4 that is outside, which is the common difference, where we say this is now equal to what? Here we get 2.5. Then there, what are we going to get in the brackets there? What is your answer there? So this is what? This is 4. This is 16. 16 times 4, 4 times 4 is 16. Plus 4, you get 20. This is the answer you get. Then finally, you just say that 2.5 times 20. What answer are you going to get? So we are going to say this is equal to 2.5 times 20. Definitely, it is a 50. So meaning that this is our answer. This is the sum of the first 5 terms. These are the procedures that you are supposed to do. So if you want tuitions, don't forget I'm your tutor, Harrison J Zulu Tutor. You can follow me on all my social media platforms just by typing Harrison J Zulu Tutor. Thank you so much. If you're looking for tuitions, these are the numbers on top there that you need to contact. Then I'll be there to help you out with mathematics, chemistry, and physics. Those of you that are doing all levels, I'm here to help you. The grade 10s, 11, 12, and the GCEs. Thank you so much.